friends, as promised, I'm gonna jump right into our second day of sourdough starter. So we have our starter from yesterday, and today we're gonna use whole wheat flour for the second day. And we have warm, room temperature filtered water, and our essential stirring and scraping down. So if you'll notice from yesterday, we have a little fluid on the top, and that's normal. So it's digesting the flour. So that's awesome, actually. So what we want to do the second, third, and fourth day is we're just going to stir that in, and then we're going to feed our starter and see if it grows the next 2, 3, or 4 days. So we'll get right into it, and I'm going to stir this guy up. And the next 2 to 3, 4, even up until the 5th day, just continue to feed the starter at the same time of the day and give it the water, stir it up, scrape it down. Do that every day until day 5. And I need my measuring cup. So we're still gonna do a ratio of 1 to 1. So I have, this is 1/4 of a cup, so I just grabbed that really quick. Anyways, so that's 1/2 of a cup of water. I think I'm gonna do a little bit more. And this is already measured as 1/2 cup of water. I'm sorry, 1/2 cup of water. This was flour, obviously. And I'm gonna give this another stir. And so basically today I'm gonna try, I gave it whole wheat flour because whole wheat flour tends to want to make your starter a little more excited to eat, has more nutrients. And I've noticed when I did this last time that when I gave my starter whole wheat flour on a couple of the days, it just really took off. So this time I'm gonna try to do it from an earlier start time, and I'm gonna put a little more flour because I want it to be a little thicker. So I want this starter to be a smidge thicker than yesterday. So we're just, like I said, it's a science experiment. And so every day it grows and you learn about how your house is, and you learn about your starter and how it's going to grow. So there's my thick consistency today of my starter. And like I said, I'm just gonna scrape it down, adjust my rubber band, and I'm gonna put the lid on it, and I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. And if this grows at all, I'm gonna have to do some discarding because it is starting to get larger amounts in here. And we wanna keep the starter to a lower level so we can feed it and we can keep it growing. So today we're just gonna leave it as it is, and then tomorrow, day 3, we'll stir it up, feed it, and we may need to do a discard prior. So stay tuned, and we'll see if tomorrow we need to discard and see how well this works. Please give me a comment or question if you have any, and I'm here to help you and answer any of those for you. I'm not an expert by any means, but I love to do this, and I make really yummy bread, and I've just done it by trial and error. So don't ever feel like you can't do it. Just do it, and then if you make a mistake, you'll correct the mistake and you'll do it again, and we'll keep going. So stay tuned for day 3 tomorrow. Have a great day, and happy 4th of July.